Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I did share with you guys some of my setbacks growing out my natural hair. In today's video I'm going to share with you what you do when you discover that you have a setback. Probably maybe you are undergoing a situation where it's causing your hair not to grow. You're going to be seeing on your screen comparison pictures, the before and the after my 3 months protective style challenge. So if you find yourself in such a position where maybe you've used something or something just happened, because things happen, of course, we learn on the go. Nobody has it perfect. It's not 100% perfect. Especially if you're a beginner, you're just starting on your hair care journey, you're going to make a lot of mistakes, you're going to make a lot of bad decisions, and that is going to cost you a lot of setback. But not to panic, there's always a solution for everything. I've gone through those setbacks, I've gone through those trial and error, and that is why I'm bringing these solutions to you guys so that you can be wary of them. So one of the things I did when I had my setback was just to take a pause and reevaluate the situation, what is going on. Like, you want to know what actually is the cause of the setback so that you know where to start tackling it from. So is it a product you used? Is it a routine that is not sitting well with your kind of lifestyle? Is it the kind of protective style you're putting on? Is it the tools that you're using? So you've got to ask yourself some of these questions so that you can be able to know the solution to your problem. Then after that, then you now, if for example is a product that you use that is not good for your hair, and you've noticed that it's when you started using that product that your hair began to feel funny, then you have to stop using that product for a while and see if there is any changes. If there are changes, then you know that that is what is causing your setback. Then if it's some bad decisions you made, probably when you started your hair care journey like me, you were going all smooth, everything was good and nice, and then probably because of trending, routines and all those trending stuff out there, you decided to give it a try, just like me, and you started seeing your hair, turn out for the worst. Then you have to stop all those things you started doing and then give your hair some break and see if anything changes. I did a lot of things to curtail my setback that has now brought me to this point where my hair is looking all healthy, thick, and growing long as it should. But these 2 tips that I shared with you guys are the major things that you need to do first of all. That is taking a pause, reevaluating the situation of what is going on, trying to figure out when things started going wrong, and then the decision to either stop using that thing or stop doing that thing that causes your setback. Then you're going to start seeing changes. So in my next video, I'm going to be sharing some of the other things that I did after reevaluating the situation and stop doing those things. What did I start doing in order to be able to see my hair thrive the way it is right now? So I'll be sharing that in my next video. For now, this is all I have for you guys. I hope you learned something from it. I hope this video helps you in some way. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.